bitch. Fuck you, nigga. Go get this hoe. Hell, bitch. I just got his car fucking jacked, ho. Woo! I was G, nigga. Oh, it's a cop. Holy shit! Oh, da-da-da-da. I'm gonna stop being my bitch. Holy fuck! I'm so screwed! I was so fucking screwed, dog. Yes, sir.
How you doing? Texas Highway Patrol. Reason for you to stop, you changed lanes over there, kind of went unsafe. You got your license provisionals on you?
No, sir, I have it available right now, sir. I apologize.
Say again?
I don't have it on.
You fine, keep your hands up?
Yeah, I'll just do my feet on my sock. I apologize, sir. Yeah, no, I don't have my license shirt on.
You got your ID on you?
I don't have anything on me right now. I just going to the store, brother.
Okay.
Okay, I was been turning that regular lane. How did I switch lanes fast, brother? I don't
You got
understand.
warrant anything out for your arrest like that?
No, sir. I just got into law enforcement just yesterday. Won't put. They run my name. I'm fine.
Say again?
They ran my name. I'm fine. It's Jonathan Lindholm.
Okay. What I'm gonna have you do is put your name, date of birth,
Yes,
social
sir.
security number down.
My name is. Okay. I
you
know.
been? You on any type of drugs, any influence?
No, sir. I'm completely on sober, 100%.
Okay. All right. What I'm asking right now, 'cause I know you're kind of sweating and so.
Yeah, it's hot, brother.
Okay.
I was just outside. Boy. Tripping, homie. What the fuck? That shit's crazy, bro. I'm gonna go up that ramp thing. That's where I'm gonna go. Where am I at again? Oh no, I don't wanna go. I'm going home. Whoa! They're just following me, dog. Fucking body here, bro. Ain't your body here, dog. Yeah, you would check the vehicle. Oh no. You're a fucking champion, homeboy. I had no warrants, nigga. What the fuck? There's a pizza in this bitch. Hey! Say, Ma, you need a ride? You need a ride? Alright. Fuck, nigga. That shit was crazy, bitch. She was fine, bro. Oh, shit.